Hello and thanks for tuning in. On the menu today are Thai crepes. These crepes look a bit like tacos and are a very popular street food in Thailand. They're normally stuffed with cream along with other sweet or savoury toppings, but in this recipe we have used golden egg yolk threads, which we have released a recipe for. I'll link to that on screen now and in the description box of this video if you want to check that out. And if you follow this recipe you should be left with a very delicious and sweet dessert. And we found that the texture of the soft and juicy stuffing contrasts really well with the crispy golden brown crepe. So on screen now are the ingredients. For full details on these ingredients, check out our blog post. I'll link to that in the description box just below this video. Most of these ingredients are very simple to find. The mung bean flour might be a little bit more tricky to get hold of, but you should be able to find that online or at any decent Asian grocery store. Okay, so first place one eggshell into a mortar and pestle and crush for a couple of minutes until the shell is broken into almost like a powder. Then pour in about 125 mils of water and just mix it in with the crushed eggshell and set aside. Now add 3 egg whites and half a cup of sugar to a jug or bowl and whisk together for about 5 to 10 minutes until you are left with a very thick cream. Next we need to make the crepe batter. By now the eggshell powder we made earlier should have settled at the bottom of the mortar and pestle. We're only interested in the water, so spoon out the water into a mixing bowl and then add 50 grams of mung bean flour, 100 grams of rice flour, 1 egg, 150 grams of sugar, and half a tablespoon of cocoa powder to the bowl, and then just whisk everything together until there are no lumps left in the batter. Now heat a non-stick pan on a medium-low heat, and when the pan is hot, pour a very small amount of batter onto the pan and spread it out in a circular motion so that you have a very thin layer of batter. Let the crepe cook for about 20 seconds or so and then spoon on some of the whipped cream that we made, along with some of the golden egg yolk threads. When the crepe is crispy and light brown, which shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes of cooking to achieve, carefully fold the crepe in half and remove it from the pan. And then just repeat this process until all of your batter has been used up. And then you're ready to serve and enjoy, so we hope you enjoyed this tasty Thai dessert recipe. Do stay tuned for plenty more Thai and Asian recipes still to come, so if you would like to see more recipes, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We release new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so thanks once again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next video.